Zoisha.
You guys! Wait, let me take off the shoes. But I am so freaking excited, okay? Yo, I have literally the best, like, family and friends ever. Like, my team is literally the best. Obviously, you guys are a part of my team. But, I mean, like, the ones that I can physically hold and touch and squeeze and kiss. And, you know? So my sister just called me and she was like, girl, you there, yeah? So I say, yeah, but they are, you know, alright. Yeah, and yeah. And she's like, I have to come drop off a package for you. So I was like, okay, no problem, I'm here. So they hear me and say, sister, I'm gonna drop off no, she didn't say drop off a package. She said, she said I have something for you, I have to drop it off. So I said, okay. My sister don't really have nothing way seriously need for drop off unless it's like something important, you know? So because like if she have like a bag of clothes to me or stuff or whatever, like when I see her, I'm gonna go to her yard, then you know, but something specifically when she have to come give me something with you know. And I was not here for Christmas, so yeah, before I left there was something I was like, if you guys see it on sale, get it for me. Like there was only one thing like I really wanted for my apartment that I did not have as of yet, and I just before like I could not afford anything, you guys. As you guys seen, I've literally spent all my money on daddy's wedding, like all of my money in the last couple of months, or maybe like almost for like the last year. Like everything was daddy. But anyways, I go downstairs and she was like, open the back door and take out this black bag with your two hands. So I take out the black bag, and before like I just knew what it was. Like when she called me and she said it, I was like literally like, what could it possibly be? But I'm like, I have a feeling what it is, and I already started planning out with how I'm gonna set it up and stuff, because I know how I wanted it, how I want my kitchen to look. So anyways, I got my microwave. Sister, I love, you guys don't understand, like my sister and my mom and my nieces are like, you know, like on my mom's side, but like that's like literally like that's my lifeline. Like I swear, like we just know how to like annoy each other, upset each other, but at the end of the day like love each other and support each other and help each other out when it's necessary. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to ruin the garbage bag, but anyways, we got a microwave. I hope this is not my birthday present because it's only January the 7th. My microwave. And it's black. I think. I hope it's black. Because that's black. I want everything to be black. Don't mind my counter, they have to come and fix it. That's why I don't really like cooking in here or anything, because the counter needs to be fixed. But it is what it is for now. But you guys, I got my microwave. I'm so freaking happy. Oh my god, it's the little things. Like it's the little things. Like that's the only thing I've been complaining about, and they see that I'm here, and you know, like I'm by myself, so like the struggle is so real, like with like getting furniture for a whole new apartment, trying to stay afloat, paying your rent, like doing all of that, y'all. It's a struggle. I'm not even gonna lie, like it's a freaking struggle. But them see me I try, and them say, yo, anyway we can't help her, I go help her, you see me? So big up yourself, Sissy Pooh, I love you guys. Tiaja Kashaya Jr., I love you guys. Like that's my familia. And mommy, if you have anything to do with it, big up yourself too. Oh my god, you guys, literally right now, like this is how I'm warming up my food. In the friggin' pots, like, or in the oven. That is how I've been warming, Ross. That's how I've been warming up my food. Okay? Good girl, who can talk to me now? Hello? I'm plugging my microwave, I'm gonna eat my food, yeah, man. Yo, this is lit! Like, do you know how much times I bought food since I moved in here? And like, I just can't eat it because like I have to, or like, I have to just wake up and say, all right, let me put this in the oven so that by the time like I'm hungry, like it will be warm. Oh my god. I know it's not good to microwave your food, but yo, when it comes to certain things and convenience, like, bruh, when you know, when you just, something just like get a little bit cool and you just want to pop it in real fast, like in the oven, bruh, so grateful. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, 2019. I told you guys. It's a new day, and I'm driving right now. We're on our way to Nisha's baby shower. It's baby bear's baby shower day. Oh my god, like she's having the baby like soon. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking exciting. I'm so excited. So yeah, the last time when we had the gender reveal, I never got to start off the vlog properly, so I decided to come and start off the vlog properly and let you guys know that that is what the motive is for today. And yeah, I'm excited. There's gonna be some faces there that I can't really wait to see. Like, I'm excited.
I don't want that sentimental speech again, though. It's gonna make me cry.
Oh god. Whoa. Oh no, I'm gonna get copyright for the song. Never mind. Anyway, see you guys at the baby shower. So cute.
And then I'm Elizabeth. Oh, okay. We're Jane Clark. Oh. All right. So I'm pretty sure. Look, all you guys know this game. You guys are thirsty. You guys have the covers off. Oh, you know? Okay. So it's whoever could finish the juice in the first. Juice. With a little extra. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Go. And speed.
Yeah, bless it.
Boy.
Well, let's see. It's so cool. I want to make a comment while they're doing
What, suck it?
No, we need to see this at eye level, guys.
Not you.
That's the one there. Yeah, that's one there. Wait, which one? Hey! Just literally by like 1 second. Surprise is you get to keep the bottle!
Shauna is really made it to her own shower.
I know, I just sat in the elevator.
She looks so grown. Look at Baby Bear. That's all I care about. Hi, Baby Bear. Right?
Poor grandpa.
Come, I just want to see the belly. Hi. Hi, Nyla.
You can't see the name yet.
Why? It's on the board. It's over there. Oh, you're right. No, you're no problem. I didn't see the last 2 missed calls, but I was helping Shauna with the games. Yeah. So hold on. Are the wedding again? No, obviously.
Okay, so I had a dress. I had a dress. Oh, I see. And I went to go put it on. I think it
couldn't fit.
ankles.
Yes, goody, pregnancy. No, you look so like grown.
I know, in my face, right?
Yeah, like you just matured, like in your face. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what was sound was that? Anyways, good morning, you guys. It is. Guess which date? Guess which date now? Guess which date it is? It's January 31st, 2019. And you know they say the best for last, because you know on this day 25 years ago this girl was born. You guys, it's my birthday. Anyways, I got a birthday card from my mom in the mail, like I think last week. It had to be last week or Monday. I seen it and I was like, oh my god, she sent me something. So I'm gonna open my card. I got up late for work because I was up last night on the phone, like trying to do my little let me show you guys. I was trying to do like a little photo shoot thingy. Oh, if you guys were following me on social media, you guys would have seen my pictures that I took. They didn't come out the greatest as I wanted them to come out, but because like I was here by myself, it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. Fuffy was supposed to initially take my pictures, but like, yo, the weather was so bad. My hair took forever to be done. Like, it just did not work out. So, plus my balloons and stuff didn't come, but whatever. But I haven't vlogged like all of January, to be honest. Like, I think the last thing I vlogged was my cousin's birthday party. Occupied. Okay, and I'm just living life, you guys. I'm sorry, but anytime there's an event or anything, I definitely will take you guys along. But the sit down in my yard, vlogs and stuff like that, different things, okay? So at the moment, I'm making my tea because, you know, I'm old now. This is my last year in my 20s, so I need to build up my immune system. And my future husband keeps telling me that I need things in my belly in the morning and stuff like that. So he's breaking me into this cycle of like eating breakfast. But I'm gonna have the breakfast today. Sorry, babe, if you're watching this. I'm gonna have the breakfast today. And so yeah, but every morning I make sure I'm gonna at least drink some tea. So I'm gonna go drink peppermint and ginger tea this morning. I got my mint and I got my ginger. So I'm gonna drink this. It's literally late. It's like what, 7:18 in the morning, and I'm supposed to be leaving out the house by 7:30. But where? It's my birthday. Nobody can go outside with me. So let me. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go put in the dog. Hi. So. Okay, hold on. How am I gonna do this? I don't have my tripod. I mean, myself. Oh, my mom called me yesterday. She was like, how come you didn't call me to say thank you? I'm like, thank you for what? She's like, your present. I'm like, presents? What present? My mother, y'all for play a fool for catch your eyes. Stick. I know it's scratch cards. And I told her I don't want no more scratch cards. I just want money. But anyways, it says, happy birthday. Hope you have a day that you can choose just what. Hope you have a day that you can just. Hope you have a day that you can just. What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm 29 and I can't read. Hope you have a day that you can choose just what you want to do. Filled with laughter and surprises and served up in jumbo sizes. Fun that leaves you wanting more. A happy birthday that's worth waiting for. Enjoy your day. It's your 29th birthday. Enjoy your day. Love, mommy. I tell the woman, I tell her, if you don't have nothing to give me money. I'd rather the $5. Honestly. So woman, yeah, she don't hear, you know. But I'm grateful and appreciative for it. Anyways. It's a good to go up. They go take my scratch card them yesterday. Socks, some nice. Alright, well, that's my gifts for my birthday. Thank you guys in advance for all the birthday wishes, and I love you guys so much. But anyways, I'm just gonna go get ready for work before she's fired. You guys, I can't believe it's my 29th birthday. Tomorrow I'm having a party. Just a little get together at my house. And then Saturday, as I mentioned, I'm going to dinner. I'm going to Captain Boyle. And that's really it, because I gotta work this weekend. I have an event on Sunday to do, so it's not really a lot for me to do. And I was gonna have a party next week. Like I was gonna go to a party and have like a table and everything, but I feel like I'm over it. Like I'm over the whole like having to party for my birthday like type stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like I just want to enjoy myself. So friends come over and go out and eat. And yeah, but I'm gonna go get ready for work, as I said. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.